Alam mo yung isa sa pinakamahirap na problema ng isang basketballista dito sa probinsya? Isipin mo, wala tayo mismo skills training dati. Basta lang makalaro, basta mapawisan, basta makapag-shoot. Walang gym. Yung court, pag may libre lang na oras, tsaka tayo nakakapaglaro. Yung tipong recess lang, yun lang nakakapaglaro tayo. Ngayon lang talaga tayo nagkaroon ng oportunidad na magkaroon ng magandang training at magandang facilities kagaya ng Ape Athletics, di ba? So mga kabola ng Pangasinan, ano ang rason nyo? I like it, man. I like it, man. Ano oras na?
Sabi mo, 6 a.m.
6:30 pa rin, di ba? Nag-adjust tayo nung gabi. 6:48 na, oh. What's up, mga bola? Good morning sa inyo, good morning sa inyo. Kayo, tulog pa ako, nag-inside na. Let's go.
Time to run it all. I wake up. I wake up, flex, thumb down, man, check. No drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Time to run it all. I wake up, flex, thumb down, man, check. No drip, this wet. Time to run it all. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Time to run it all. 9 out of 10 roll through my hands, I'm by my lonely. Turn to a savage, now my baby wants to hold me. I love my fans, don't need no friends, I got my homies. Thought I could trust you, I find out you tried to zone me. I'm number one up on that court, I'm Nick McGrady. The first one in, the last one out, can't call me lazy. Put in my hours, send the invoice and they pay me. I need 6 rings like MJ and Tom Brady. I wake up, flex, thumb down, that check. No drip, this wet. Tell them run it on. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell them run it on. I wake up, flex, thumb down, that check. No drip, this wet. Tell them run it on. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch. Tell them run it. Y'all gon' make me take that trip way out to Europe. I call up Nigeria, come through in a hurry. Those London boys don't come to play, you should get worried. One false move, find yourself, they getting buried. Dance with the devil, used to love playing those games. Made some bad decisions that brought my mama pain. I made a promise to her, swore that I would change. I'm on the come up, bet I live up to my name.
Medyo mahirap kasi dito sa atin, sa Pangasinan, hindi masyado ginagawa yung mga ganun na ensayo eh. So medyo naninibago ako sa mga footworks, pagkuha ng medicine ball. Pero kaya naman, basta tuloy-tuloy lang yung ensayo. Yan lang. Oo naman, gusto ko ma-meet si coach. Kasi syempre, mas marami kang matututunan as a player. As a coach din dati. So magkakaroon ako ng knowledge at matuturo ko rin sa mga ibang bata. Mga nagpapatulong sa akin, nagpapaturo din. Kahit pa paano is masishare ko sa kanila yung knowledge ko at magagamit din nila yun.
Ayun, nasa coach dito sa Ape, ang dami kong natutunan na bago. Hindi ako ganun ka-familiar kasi sobrang different talaga. Kasi gumagamit tayo ng medicine ball sa finishing natin, tas sasaluhin with one hand. Tapos ibabato, kakatch, ganun. Sobrang different. So, I know for sure ma-apply natin in games kasi yung natin, yung mind natin, na-challenge talaga eh.
Yung kanang kamay.
Oh, for sure, for sure. Ang dami tayong matututunan sa kanila.
So mga bola, tapos na tayo mag-workout ngayon. Sobrang pagod. Yung ginawa namin medyo extraordinary yun. Hindi mo naman lahat magagawa sa games yun. Pero na-apply mo na para ka may defender talaga. Yun yung concept nila dun. So, shoutout kay Coach Kevin Duncan. Salamat sa pagpapadala ng mga workouts natin. And at least kahit ganito, off-season, may ginagawa kami. And may tuturo kami dito sa kids sa Pangasinan. So, ayun guys, kung gusto niyo magpaturo ng coaching, Ape Athletics, punta na lang kayo. Yes sir, good work good work, good work. And pinanalo ko siya para kumpiyansa siya. Wow! Good job, good job. Bye-bye. Pahinga na ako ngayon. Pagod na sobra. Oops! Siguraduhin nyo nakasubscribe kayo. Meron tayong malupit na vlog next week. See you mga kabola.
You can support the channel here. Also, We have an upcoming basketball camp this November 9th to 10th at Dagupan City. See you!